Hello children, let us start today a poem number 2, the art lesson. Okay, the poem was written by John C. Horseman. The poem was written by June C. Horseman. Okay, here in this poem the teacher is asking to all the children to draw a tree. Okay, but John drawn some different thing. What he has drawn and what he explained to her teacher. Let us see. Okay. Before starting the poem, we will look for some new words. Okay, children. Here they have given captured. Captured means what? Captured means caught or held by force. Blossoms. Blossoms means flowers, especially on a tree or bush. Grew. Grew means expand or extend. Okay. Then comes here softly means speaking in a low voice. Okay, soft voice. Okay. Bug means a small insect. Mud means a soil. Hung means sway. Okay, let us start the poem. Class, said the teacher, let's draw a tree. Look out the window, don't look at me. Here the teacher says to the class, to addressing to the class. She is telling, look out of the window and draw a tree. Don't look at me. Okay, the samples were good, except for young Joyce, he stayed after class, the rest got to go. The samples were good, means everyone has drawn very nicely except Joy. He stays for the class and rest went home. Okay, he was only staying because teacher made him to stand. The teacher asked softly, is this your sheet? There's cloud and a bug, there's mud and a leaf. The teacher asked him softly, means not angering on him, she's just asking him softly, is this your sheet? Is this your drawing? See, it is a bug, clouds, bug, mud and leaf. Boy said, oh, said the boy, have you ever hung on a high branch and looked at the sun? Joy is asking to teacher, oh, have you ever seen teacher, have you ever hung, means sways on the tree on a high branch and from there have you ever looked at the sun? Joy is asking to teacher. Have you turned upside down and swung by your knees and hid in the leaves of a big apple tree? Joy is asking again to his teacher. Have you ever turned upside down and swung by your knees, hide in the leaves of a big apple tree? Discovered a nest or captured a bug or carried home blossoms that brought you a hug? He is asking, have you ever captured a bug? Have you ever seen a nest? Okay, have you ever seen a nest, teacher? Have you brought some blossoms to home? Have you, by yourself, have you plucked ever flowers, blossoms from the tree and hugged that one to home? The teacher's smile grew. Now she could see the things she was missing when she drew her tree. The teacher smiled with a grew, means she thought that Joy has made her to learn keen observation from the tree, which she has forgotten in her drawing. Okay, she was happy that for the Joy, he has made teacher to learn about the small things. Okay, children, the poem was written by June C. Horseman. Now let us look for the exercise part. Read these questions and tick the correct answer. What did the teacher ask the class to draw? Trees or clouds? Trees. Who stayed back after the class? Joy or Tom? Joy. What did the Joy draw on the sheet? Clouds and a bug? Sea and a fish. It's clouds and a bug. What did Joy discover on a big apple tree? Spider or nest? Nest. What did Joy carry back home? Bugs or blossoms? Blossoms. List the items that Joy drew in his drawing. He has drawn clouds, bug, leaf and mud. How was Joy different from others children in the class? Joe was different from other children as he looked at things differently, didn't accept ready-made answers and examined nature closely. Okay children, learn the poem and complete the exercise. Bye.